Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a huge giveaway to share with you, and I'm actually partnering with two people. So one person is going to win a gigantic prize, and I'm so excited. This is my first time doing like a group giveaway. I'm super excited for one of you guys to win something just epic. I have a ton of prizes, a lot of things that I really love. I am partnering with two sweet, beautiful girls here on YouTube, Allegra and Sierra. I will of course have them both linked below. So to start out, I'm gonna let you guys know what all of the rules are going to be to enter this giveaway. First off, the giveaway is international, so anyone is welcome to enter. You will have to be subscribed to all three of our channels, like all three of our giveaway videos, and leave a comment below each one of our giveaway videos. In addition to that, if you would like an extra entry, you can go follow all three of us on Instagram. I will of course have every single thing linked below, as well as all of the rules, how to enter, all that good stuff. When you're commenting below, you can comment anything you want, but please include either an Instagram handle, a Twitter handle, some way that we can contact you. Especially if you want the extra entry on Instagram, make sure to put your Instagram handle as well. That's going to be really helpful for us in getting the winner notified. And one person is going to win a ton of makeup, skincare, beauty products. I'm so excited about it. So in an effort to keep this as simple as possible, I'm going to try to keep my video very short so that it doesn't take an incredibly long time to enter this giveaway. All right, so now for the fun part. I'm going to show you everything that I am putting into the giveaway. Again, this is just my portion of it. All three of us have put a ton of products together. So one of you is going to be super lucky and win some amazing stuff. So let me show you what all you can win. I have a box packed and ready. Now I'm gonna unpack it, but it's okay. First things on top, I have some Shiseido facial cottons. Maybe not the most exciting thing to some people, but I absolutely love them. We have a little Too Faced major must-haves makeup sets, 4 cute little Too Faced minis in here. You have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells amazing and such a good formula for a bronzer as well. I love this one. Clinique Moisture Surge. This is one of my all-time favorite hydrators for the skin. You put this on after all your other skincare and it just locks in all that moisture. I use it almost every single night, so I love this product. Next, the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. Sounds like something you don't need in your life until you use it, and I promise I love this one too. A Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder with the mini puff as well. You'll win a Lime Crime Velveteens in the shade Cashmere, a Lime Crime Venus Extra Small in the shade Sunkissed, so beautiful, a little Spongel Mani Pedi Treatment Set, a sleek highlighting palette. This needs no explanation, but I put in here a Beauty Blender set that also has a Beauty Blender cleanser in it, a First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. This is such a good basic face cleanser. Pretty much anybody can use it, even if you're dry and even if you're sensitive. I have some masks from the brand Feel, from Neogen, and also some Wonder Beauty eye masks. The Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. This is a beautiful palette to sculpt and bronze your face. The Dentasha Denona Mini Lila Palette. Such beautiful colors in this one. The Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. A little Too Faced makeup bag. And also inside a full size of the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. A set of Moda brushes. This is the 8-piece Pro Glam set, so a really nice set of brushes. This palette I have been loving for fall. This is the BH Cosmetics Santa Fe palette. I've been using this. I have one right on my vanity that I used just yesterday. It's such a beautiful one for fall. Great fall colors, and then a little pop of turquoise in there as well. It's so pretty. And then finally, there's going to be an extra little bag of goodies with little minis inside. Just a little extra so you guys can try a bunch of things out. And I'm also going to pop in there a few of my favorite K-Beauty sheet masks. I have a ton, so I'm going to go through and pick a bunch of masks out as well. But that is everything that is in my portion of the giveaway. So again, there are 2 other videos, 2 other boxes to win, and one of you guys is going to be so excited when you get this prize in the mail. I can't wait. So again, make sure that you are subscribed to all 3 channels, that you like each video, and that you leave a comment down below the video. And of course, you can still follow all 3 of us on Instagram for that extra entry as well. I am so excited. I hope you guys are excited too. If you've come from either Sierra's video or Allegra's video, thank you so much for clicking on this video and entering. We're so excited. I know I am. I may be more excited than you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I appreciate it so much. And be sure to turn on that notification bell so you can see my future uploads. I love you guys, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!